We're gonna make a tornado.
Have 2 water bottles and connect them together.
Put your bottle to here.
Now you flip it over and now we'll show you how to make a tornado.
Ready to see a tornado?
Yeah.
Look up here.